Hi, welcome to Sahila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Rasmalai. Rasmalai is an Indian and Pakistani dessert made out of milk. Some people make this with fresh milk only, and some people make this with powdered milk and fresh milk together. In this video today, I'm going to show you an easy way of making Rasmalai, and that is by making it with powdered milk and fresh milk together. It's going to be a very simple and the easiest recipe. So I hope you join me. I'll be back in a minute to show you how to make Rasmalai from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. welcome back. Here's the delicious rasmalai. As you saw, it only takes about 20 minutes to make the whole thing, and the outcome is very delicious and very professional looking. So I'm going to taste a little bit, and I will let you know. Wow, it's very spongy, very soft, very delicious. I love the nuts on top of this, the pistachios and almonds, and the rose water gives it a very good flavor. I hope you try this recipe, and please let me know if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment section down below. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all.